Hello and welcome to Is It Accessible? Today we're checking out the accessibility of the Reptile House at the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Gardens. There are ramps to the sides of the building to reach each front door. The doors are manual and there is a small hump to get over the doorway. During the busy season, I have seen the doors held open and there's usually someone standing outside the door with an animal friend that can help with the door. The interior is a circular layout and the floor is carpeted. All of the exhibits against the wall are glass, and the reptiles tend to climb all over the exhibit. So even if the front is blocked, you can usually see some reptiles towards the middle or top of their space. The middle of the reptile house is an enclosure with Chinese alligators. These guys are phenomenal at hiding in plain sight, so it may take a moment to spot a literal pile of gators. This area is listed as a loud location on the sensory map, as even the quietest sound echoes quite a bit. It can also be extremely crowded, especially in the summer. That's it for our video on the accessibility of the Reptile House at the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Gardens. We have a link in the description below to the Reptile House's info page. Thanks for watching.